I want to go over a trade on MNQ that I could have took today. I didn't take this trade, but I could have took this trade today based on my VWAP strategy, and this played out to the T. Now, I don't know if you guys know how the 15-minute range works, but uh, the the 15-minute orb is just basically the first 15 minutes of the New York trading session, and how I use it is normally whenever price breaks out of the 15-minute orb range, I never take that first breakout because that's a fake out. Normally, majority of the time, when price breaks either to the low or to the top, that's a fake out. Okay, and this was a fake out right here. And then once price came all the way down here, I had two key levels, actually three key levels. I had this yellow dotted line, which is the daily anchor VWAP, and then right here is the bottom of the 15-minute orb, right? And then also I had the start of week anchor VWAP. So there's a lot of confluence in this area. And remember, just like up here, whenever price breaks out to the top of the first breakout to the top of the range, normally that doesn't stick. And the same thing we're here. Never trade the first breakout. Okay? So whenever price broke out to the downside on the 15-minute orb, that's the first breakout to the downside. That never usually continue to do that. Trust me. Don't get faked out. All right. If you're trading the 15-minute orbs, don't get faked out. But if I was actually watching this pair at that time, I would have took the trade. Well, first thing first. Once I have price come into a key level, I like to mark up my fair value gaps, and this is a bearish fair value gap right here. Let me actually take this off. That's a bearish fair value gap right here. All right, you see that? Now, when price closes above it, it turns into a inversion fair value gap. So, if you broke it down to the lower time frames, you could have got in a little bit early. But normally, I like to get in a trade soon as it breaks. Okay, as soon as it breaks, I like to get in the trade, put my stop right below that wick and below those key levels there, and then you could have took the trade to the upside. And look at that. Right, look at that. That's a good move right there. Right now, what if you'd kept holding that trade? You could have caught this whole move right here too. But you don't need that big move. You don't need that. All right. This right here, if you'd have traded to the top of the range, you would have got almost a 2R on that move right there. Okay. Normally that's what I usually do. I like to trade it to a key level, and the first key level is the top of the orb, a 15-minute orb. Now, there's also other key levels as well. As you can see, I have the previous day's high, the previous value area high, POC. I like to also use these key levels as targets. But this is a trade that I could have took today. This is a great setup. These type of setups happens all the time in the market. Happens all the time. Okay, but I'll provide you guys with some more value. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys some more setups.